Meet Carl. Carl's a successful contractor. He knows his trade inside and out, nails to drywall. But dealing with this paperwork, that's a different story. Like many contractors, Carl struggles with his accounting trying to do it all himself. It's time consuming and frankly, that's not what he signed up for. And Carl's not alone. Many skilled contractors are overwhelmed when it comes to handling their own finances, all while trying to juggle their day-to-day jobs. That's where I come in. I've created a 10-day contracting accounting strategy course, an accounting blueprint specifically designed for contractors like Carl. This blueprint is easy to follow and was created to help contractors take control of their finances while still doing their own bookkeeping and eliminate expensive bookkeepers and accountants and save tens of thousands of dollars annually. I've spent years as a CFO for multi-million-dollar construction businesses, and I've learned a thing or two about streamlining the accounting process for contractors. I want to share what has worked well for me and help numerous contractors just like Carl. This 10-day accounting blueprint is easy to follow, and you will learn how to maximize savings, reduce overhead costs, and ultimately know how to achieve financial success. Click the link below for my exclusive accounting blueprint outline and take the first step towards keeping more profit in your pocket.
Rolling.